Is your beloved cockatiel suddenly limping or holding its wing at an odd angle? A broken wing can be a terrifying experience for any bird owner, but don't panic. You're not alone, and there are steps you can take to help your feathered friend. A broken wing isn't just a minor inconvenience. It can lead to serious health issues if not addressed promptly. If you're wondering, what should I do next? You've come to the right place. Many cockatiel owners face this dilemma, and it's crucial to know how to respond. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share a simple first aid technique that can make a world of difference for your cockatiel. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Have you ever felt helpless watching your pet in pain? Maybe you've tried to comfort them, but nothing seemed to work. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced a similar situation with your cockatiel or any other pet. I can relate. First, let's understand how a cockatiel can get a broken wing. It could be from a fall, a collision with a window, or even rough play with other pets. Whatever the cause, it's essential to act quickly to prevent further injury. It's almost like cockatiels think they're invincible. One moment they're soaring through the air, and the next they're grounded. It's a wild ride, isn't it? So what should you do if your cockatiel has a broken wing? First, assess the situation. If the wing looks deformed or your bird is in severe pain, it's time to seek professional help immediately. Step 1. Keep your cockatiel calm. Place them in a quiet, safe space away from other pets and loud noises. Stress can worsen their condition, so a calm environment is key. Step 2. Immobilize the wing. If you can safely do so, gently wrap the wing with a soft cloth or bandage to prevent further movement. But remember, don't force anything. Step 3. Contact a veterinarian. This is crucial. A vet who specializes in birds can provide the best care and advice for your cockatiel's recovery. Hang tight, because in just a moment, I'll reveal a common household item that can help soothe your cockatiel during recovery. Did you know that cockatiels can actually sense your emotions? They're incredibly intuitive and can pick up on your stress, which is why keeping them calm is so important. Here's the secret. A little bit of warm chamomile tea can help soothe your cockatiel. Just make sure it's cooled down before offering it to them. It's calming and can help with their recovery. To recap, we discussed how to handle a broken wing in your cockatiel. Keep them calm, immobilize the wing, and contact a vet. Plus, I shared the soothing benefits of chamomile tea. Remember, your quick action can make all the difference. I remember when my cockatiel, Kiwi, had a little mishap. I panicked, but following these steps helped him recover quickly. It felt like a huge relief, and I hope you find the same success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on caring for your cockatiel. Have you dealt with a broken wing before? Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories.